The internal structure of Earth. Earth's outer core is a fluid layer about 2,260 kilometers, 1,400 miles.
It consists of the crust, mantle and core. Zoom in! This is the Earth's crust. It consists of all kinds of rocks.
Can you please explain Earth structure?
The structure of the Earth is layered in spherical shells, like an onion. The outermost layer is a thin crust that sits on the Earth's molten mantle. The mantle is made of hot rock that slowly flows and breaks the crust into pieces. The crust is made of solid rock, and it is broken into large plates that move on the surface of the mantle. The Earth's core is made of iron and nickel, and it is very hot and under a lot of pressure.
Can you explain the environmental hazard related to Earth?
Interesting question. Let me find a good answer. The environmental hazard related to Earth is that it can cause pollution.
Only pollution? Anything else apart from pollution?
Hang on, I'm compiling a response to your question. There are many things that can cause pollution, including burning fossil fuels, factory farming, deforestation, oil spills, pesticide and herbicide use, plastic production and waste, urbanization, vehicle emissions.
Interesting answer. Just want to understand how humans use the energy resources of Earth.
Humans use the energy resources of Earth by burning fossil fuels, such as coal and oil, to generate electricity.
And how are humans impacting the environment for their needs?
Great question. Let me ponder it for a bit. Humans are impacting the environment for their needs by polluting the air, water, and land. They are also causing deforestation and habitat loss.
Are humans cause for earthquake?
No, humans are not the cause of earthquakes.
How does earthquake impact humans on Earth?
Earthquakes can have a number of impacts on humans. These include physical impacts, such as damage to buildings and infrastructure, and psychological impacts, such as fear and anxiety. Earthquakes can also trigger landslides, tsunamis, and other natural disasters, which can further impact humans.
Great. Thanks for highlighting these. It was good learning.
You are welcome. Glad you found it useful.
An earthquake is a phenomenon that results from the sudden release of stored energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves at the Earth's surface.
Thousands of people. Blocks of rock on each side are slipping fault line. If we zoom out, we see that the fault descends deep in seismic ruptures on like vertical and sideways lurches. Make 60 seconds for the tremors to finally.
How does earthquake happen?
An earthquake is caused by a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves. The size of an earthquake is measured by its magnitude.
Can you highlight some of the major earthquakes that has happened over the last 50 years?
Some of the major earthquakes that have happened over the last 50 years include the following: 1964 Alaska earthquake, 1970 Peru earthquake, 1975 Haichung earthquake, 1976 Tangshan earthquake, 1989 Loma Prieta earthquake, 1995 Kobe earthquake, 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, 2010 Haiti earthquake, 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami.
Any other natural hazards apart from earthquake you can highlight?
Interesting question. Let me find a good answer. There are many other natural hazards that can occur, depending on the location. These can include hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, wildfires, and landslides.
Can you explain what is the difference between tornado and landslide?
A tornado is a violent, rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. A landslide is a massive rock, dirt, and other debris that falls suddenly and rapidly down a slope.
Thank you, that was helpful.